Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to get the engine block and the head outside and give it a good jet wash, clean off all the grease off the off it. Obviously there's quite a lot of years worth of grease and gunk and horrible stuff on it, so I'm going to give it a good power wash now with some engine degreaser, a bit of elbow grease, and hopefully clear it up. So I'll whack up a time lapse of me doing that, and then at the end of the video I'll come back and talk a bit more. Okay, thanks for watching. So guys, I've given the engine a good power wash and jet wash now, just to give it a good steam clean. And there is still quite a bit of rust inside, so I'm going to jet wash it again now because there's quite a lot of orange water coming out. So I'm going to stick the hose in there and see how much more I can get out. Obviously I know it's not going to be immaculate, but I want to try and get it as best as I can. So the head come up nice and clean. So I'm gonna go again now, so I'll whack up the time lapse and then we'll go from there. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll be back in a minute. So earlier on when I jet washed the engine, the one part didn't actually record, but I'll show you on this. Hopefully it won't be as orange. So it's getting better, so what I'll do is I'll do it again now and then see how it comes out after the next turn. Right then, so the moment of truth after another good plastering and caking with some water. Let's see if we've got orange water or clear. Well, it's definitely not orange anymore, so we're getting better. So I think I might give that another 1 or 2 more goes now, just to see if it can clear up a little bit more, and then we'll go from there. So I'll whack you back up on time lapse. I do apologise if the camera's getting soaked with water, but so am I. This is not fun. So I've got to go work after this. So here we go. I'll whack up another time lapse and get back to you guys in a minute. Oh, right then, that's the engine now jet washed. I'm absolutely soaked, so I'm going to dry all that off, clear up, and then I'll be back. So I've now dried off and welcome back. This is the day after, so I am nice and dry now. I'm going to show you now what has come in the post, as I wasn't too sure on whether to go on the twin carbs or to go onto a choke, but we've decided to go for this little beauty. And it is stunning. I love it. So some details have actually come with it, because when we bought it we said that we were setting it up for a 1300 crossflow. So we've got all the information here for it. So the primary jetting is a choke 26mm, main jet was 135, air correction is 180, and then go to the secondary. So I've got this from Deloroto Weber Carbs. So I'm really happy with this. But what I am actually going to do, to be a little bit different to everybody else, I've been speaking to a guy that I'm friends with via the Ford guys, called littleredfiesta on Instagram, and he's hydro dipped Marcus Hayes's rocker cover for his ST170, and it's something that I fancy getting for mine. So I've been in touch with him, and we've got a cool design ready for the rocker cover. So I just need to clean up inside that to get it sent over to him. And I'm also going to take off the chrome plate off the top and the base plate, so because I don't really want the chrome. Yes, it's nice to have shiny bits, but nothing else really on the car is going to be chrome, so I think it'll stand out a bit too much. So I'm going to go for the same design on this as going to be on this, and hopefully that'll look really cool. I will plug his Instagram and his YouTube underneath. Hopefully he might be doing a video of doing it, so that one's there. So Little Red Fiesta on Instagram, and also with YouTube. He's in the middle of building a Fiesta, which is absolutely going to be a rocket when it's ready, so I can't wait to see that finished. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to whack up a time lapse of me taking the cover off and getting things ready to be sent over to him. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks he'll be there, and I'll get a video back of him actually hydro dipping it, which should be really cool and go with the car. So I'm really looking forward to that. So if you bear with me a couple of seconds now, I'm just going to whack off the cover and then get everything ready to be sent away. So see you guys in a minute. So guys, now it's all off and ready to be sent away to Kieran, also known as the Little Red Fiesta, to be hydro dipped. I'm really looking forward to seeing this when it comes back, because it's going to make a total difference, and that's one of the main goals with the car, is to make it nice, clean, and look a little bit different to what everybody else is doing. But obviously while that's off now, I can get to have a proper look at everything. So can't wait. So thank you all for watching. I'd like to say big thanks to all my subscribers. Obviously it's climbing quite nicely now, which I'm really appreciative of. I'm well over 100 now, which I'm stoked about. I'm really happy. So if you like what I'm doing, like the video. If you like what I'm doing with the Escort, the ST170 will be coming back on the channel very soon. I've got some videos lined up for that. So if you subscribe, hit the like button, and if you go onto the bell in the top left hand corner to keep up to date with my uploads, it will send you a notification to say that there's a video on the way. So thank you all, and thanks for watching, and see you all guys soon.